Just a few hours to go for the Independence Day celebrations to kick in, and forces have meanwhile foiled a terror bid in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district. In a controlled environment, forces neutralized an active sticky bomb ID. Yesterday, also remember, 4 sticky bomb IDs were found in Mendhar area of Poonch from a terrorist. Live with more details. Gursimran, yesterday 4 sticky bomb IDs were recovered from Mendhar Poonch, and now we're seeing a similar update coming in from Kishtwar. What more can you tell us? We're just a few hours to go from Independence Day.
See, this is a major threat that was averted by the security forces, especially Jammu and Kashmir police in the Kishtwar district of Jammu. Because yesterday we have seen a terrorist of Hizbul Mujahideen was arrested from the same area, from whose possession forces have recovered the grenades, and now sticky bomb ID that was on the roadside in the Kudia area that falls in the Kishtwar district. It is a road connecting to the villages. This is an important way for the vehicles to pass, and even it is an important route of the security forces as well, from where the sticky bomb ID was discovered and later has been destroyed by Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army. But this is really very serious, as this has come a day before Independence Day, and yesterday we have also seen that in Mendhar area of Poonch district, a terrorist was arrested along with the 4 improvised ID sticky bombs that were to target the vital VVIPs as well as the security forces vehicles. So this also seems the same module that has been busted, and a major tragedy has been averted by Jammu and Kashmir police, because there are regular inputs from the intelligence agencies that terrorists may try to carry out a major terror strike ahead or on the Independence Day, and keeping that in view, the security has been heightened across Jammu and Kashmir. And the incidents that have come into fore, if we speak of past 24 hours, is really of a serious concern, because we have seen a terror hideout being busted in Kishtwar, a terror hideout being busted in Mendhar district, and now ID on the roadside in the Kishtwar district, which is a route for security agencies for their movement to strategically important positions. So this is something really serious, as how the terror activities have heightened in past 1 month, and especially the plan.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we're seeing a lot of terror activities take place just the past 24 hours if we go by. A lot of incidents that have come to light, but our forces are to thwart and each and every attempt made to, tamper with the security apparatus in the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Thank you, Gursimran, for the update.